Hey everybody! So today is going to be a favorite cleaning products, and this is also going to be a collab. Angela from MombieMode actually reached out to a bunch of us ladies, and we're going to do a group collab. And so I will have Angela's channel linked down below, and also the other ladies that are doing this collab. Their videos will be in a playlist, also linked down below. So make sure to check those videos out. And if you want to see my favorite cleaning products, then stick around. Alright, so first, I guess I will start with the bathroom. That is my least favorite place to clean, so I want to go ahead and get it over with. So first thing that I like to use is this Method Antibac cleaner. It smells like spearmint. I think that's it. Yeah, spearmint. It just leaves your bathroom with like a really minty, fresh cleaning smell, and the smell lingers around for a long time, and so it's just nice to go into a bathroom and smell refreshing a little bit. But yeah, I'd use this on the counters, the sinks, because it is the Antibac, so it's going to kill all the bathroom germs and all that. I will spray it on our toilet and let it soak, sometimes in the shower too, just to give it an extra clean. But yeah, it smells really, really good. And to go along with the mint smell is this Method Glass and Surface spray. And you could also use this on the countertops just because it is a surface spray as well. But it does work really good on glass, and it also is the spearmint scent, or mint really, but they both kind of smell along the same lines. So I use this on the mirrors, shower door, all that stuff. Use it on the faucet handle to give it a good shine. But yeah, so this is another thing that I use in the bathroom. Next, for our toilets, I forgot who I first kind of saw this product from, but it is genius. It's from Clorox, and it is the Clorox wand. And this is just like the most genius product ever, because you don't have to deal with a nasty toilet brush. It comes with refills. I can kind of show you that. It's just these little pods in there, and they just snap onto the toilet brush and wipe your toilet with it. Once you're done, toss it in the trash can, and you don't have a nasty toilet brush leaking water everywhere, leaving the gross stuff in the bottom of it, and it makes cleaning toilets a lot better for me. And for the shower, it's another thing I hate to clean is showers and bathtubs. And this one I've used, so this is not a new one, so it doesn't look the cleanest, so I'm not going to show you this part because it's just kind of gross. But these little things, it's like the Scotch Guard. I think it's like made for dishes, where you can put like dish detergent in this thing right here. But I think it was Katie Satilli, and I will link her video with this down below. I think she's the first person to kind of bring this into the YouTube cleaning world, but it's genius, and it is literally the best shower and tub cleaner I think that I've ever used. It beats bleach and, you know, any kind of like scrubbing bubbles or anything like that. But you mix vinegar and Dawn detergent in this thing right here, and just kind of shake it up, make sure it's got a good mix, and then once you press that button, then it dispenses the liquid out, and you scrub it, and it seriously does an amazing job. It will get anything off of your shower and your bathtubs. So that is definitely a genius hack. So next I'm going to show you what I use mostly in my kitchen, and that is this Method Antibac all-purpose cleaner. And so it kind of does both jobs of, you know, the all-purpose, because I've heard, you know, don't use an antibacterial cleaner because it doesn't get up the dirt. Use an all-purpose cleaner and just use the Antibac for disinfecting. This is kind of a two-in-one, and so this does a really good job of, like, if you cook and you have food left over the counter, say you don't clean it up right then, and it's just kind of sitting there and it's there for you the morning after, spray this on it, leave it soaking for like 5 minutes, and it does the job, and it disinfects as well. So if you've been cooking with raw foods or whatever, this is going to get your countertops clean. They come in a lot of scents, maybe not a lot of scents. This is the bamboo scent, and it kind of has, some people might say, a little bit of a manly scent, but it smells very clean and fresh to me. Next that I use, and I kind of use this for spot cleaning the kitchen and also just for random kid messes. I've got 3 kids, all girls. I've got a 5-year-old, a 3-year-old, and an almost 9-month-old. And so there are a lot of messes going around. And for a quick, easy cleanup, if I'm in a rush or something, this is my Old Faithful, just the Lysol wipes. Kills germs, easy to pick up messes with, and so just can't go wrong with that. So next thing on my list, in my kitchen sink, I like to use Comet. So this does, we have the stainless steel kitchen sink, and it does a really good job of just making it shine, getting the rust stains out and all that. I know Mrs. Meyer's has a like cream baking soda cleanser, and then there's also the Bon Amourie or something. I've seen those on the Grove site, and I have not tried those yet. I'm probably going to try that after I run out of the Comet, just to kind of have a less chemical product going into my sink, because sometimes, you know, we do bathe the baby in the sink, and I don't like to use a lot of chemicals in our kitchen anyway, just because we eat, and, you know, all kinds of stuff goes on in the kitchen. So as product friendly, I would like to have more natural products in the kitchen above anywhere else, especially just because, I don't know, it makes me feel a little bit safer using that stuff in there. So I use that in the kitchen sink. Also, if like the bathroom sinks are really nasty or something like that, that is also a good product to use. It does a really good job of getting up stains. It does have the bleach in it, and so it just makes it shine. And I don't know, if my sink's clean, I feel like the whole house is a lot better. It just makes you feel good to have a clean sink. So next in the kitchen that I use a lot is this. And this is distilled vinegar, and my husband makes fun of me a lot for this because he hates, I think it's kind of grown on him, but he hates the vinegar smell. But vinegar is seriously, I think, hands down the best cleaning product ever. I use it to clean our coffee maker. You know, if it starts running slow or something like that, you put vinegar in it, put it on the cleaning cycle, or if you don't have a cleaning cycle, run it through a couple times, and it just does the best job. It does good on carpets to get stains out of carpets, all that. And also, as you can see behind me, we have the microfiber couches, and I actually have one of those green machines that you can, you know, put carpet cleaner in or something and clean upholstery, carpets, whatever. So for a while I was using the carpet cleaner on them, and then I think I looked it up and found it somewhere, but to use vinegar for microfiber, and that is seriously a miracle worker. I would just put some vinegar diluted with a little bit of water in a spray bottle, spray it on the couch, wipe it with a microfiber cloth. It doesn't leave any watermarks or anything like that, and it makes the couch just feels clean. Like, you can feel that it got it clean. And so I swear by vinegar for cleaning. That is hands down the most multi-purpose, best cleaner out there, I think. But along the carpet line, we did just get a new puppy, and most of our house is like the hard floors, laminate wood floors or something like that, but we do have carpets in the bedroom, and we also have an area rug here in our living room. And I think this is a relatively new product, but it works really, really good as well, because one thing with puppies is, you know, they have an accident and you clean up the stain, but I think it's like the enzymes or something like that. If you don't get rid of that, then they're going to return back to the stain. And this stuff is like seriously amazing. It gets rid of the stain. It has no urine smell left after it. So I've been using this, you know, if she has an accident on the rug or in the bedroom or something like that. And it works really, really well. I also use this around our toilet and sometimes the girls' bathroom toilet, just to kind of make sure that I'm getting all the urine, because I do have a husband, and sometimes you need to use this on the toilet, and that's all I'm going to say about it. So yeah, this stuff, it's cheap. I think it's only like $3 or something like that, and it works amazing on urine. Next thing that I'm going to talk about, we have a lot of wood in our house, which I think most people probably do. End tables, TV stand, dining room table, bookshelves, stuff like that. So for my wood cleaner, and kind of like a dusting thing too, I'll even use it on the ceiling fan sometimes if I want to give them a good wipe down, is this 7th generation wood cleaner, and it is in the lemon chamomile scent, and it smells amazing. On our floors, because like I said, most of our house is, you know, the laminate wood floors, or we have the, what is it, linoleum in our kitchen and bathrooms and stuff. And I do like Method's squirt mop solutions. I was using the almond wood scent in that as well. And I think these are both, no matter what scent you get, I think it's pretty much the same thing. Maybe the one that says wood on it is a little bit better on giving a shine. I don't know, because we don't really have authentic wood floors. But this stuff does great on getting up messes. I just squirt a little bit down on the floor, let it soak for a couple of minutes, and then I use a steam mop, the Shark, and I will go over it with that. It smells amazing. It leaves the floor shiny. I don't feel a sticky residue, you know, after I do it. I don't put a whole lot down on the floor, just a little bit, and it kind of spreads around a good part of the room. But this stuff smells amazing. This is the lemon ginger scent, and it smells very fresh and clean as well. You can really smell the lemon, but it's not like a strong, overpowering lemon. So this or the almond one, and I think they probably have other scents in it as well, but this is my favorite floor cleaner. Next, because it is cold and flu season, and my oldest daughter is in school and she brings home a lot of germs, is Lysol disinfectant spray. This stuff, spray on backpacks, doorknobs, light switches, all that. It's gonna kill those flu germs, because so far we have not gotten flu, and I'm hoping it stays that way. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I didn't forget anything. These are definitely my most used cleaning products. I love them. I have repurchased them several times. And so I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to click on the playlist down below to check out the other wonderful ladies' videos that are also doing this collab. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.